Coming to the Northeast Show in Jersey, it's kind of a hub. It's a center hub for the industry. All the guys that, or all the companies that make the products that everybody wants, they all come here. And it's more of an informal setting. It's not really open to the public, so you get to really talk to people. There's other trade shows that do the same thing, but it's open to the public and you almost can't get a word in edgewise with the companies. Here you can meet the companies within the companies and do some real business. One of the things I look forward to going to any expo is seeing the new technology, the equipment, the products, the materials that are coming out. This is a lot like the electronics industry. Next week, everything we had today is obsolete, so you want to keep up on those things to keep with technology. One of the things I like doing when we go to the trade shows is we'll do appearances. You know, like here we're representing Sherwin-Williams. We spray Matrix is a subsidiary of Sherwin-Williams. We like to give back to their sponsorship and their support, making appearances, signing calendars, preaching the gospel of Sherwin-Williams and Matrix, giving back to the industry that supports us.